folded.
You're so smart.
Hi guys, welcome to jjsplayworld. Today I'm gonna open my box.
Hi guys. So today we're gonna open up a package, and this is a little surprise from Innocheer. So, this is an Educational Magnetic Easel, and it comes with a bunch of little shapes and puzzles, wooden box, magnetic easel, dry erase marker, magnets, chalk picture, booklet.
Let's open it up, guys.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.
So we're outside, so it's a little noisy, and it's raining, so you might hear a lot of background noise. You need some help? Let me help you.
I got it.
Can I help you? And it's cold out here. You want to go inside and do it or no?
No.
Just put your hoodie on. Okay. This is neat. Okay. Wow.
Oh.
So, wow. Okay, these are magnetic pieces as well, so you can connect them. And it comes with some chalk. It comes with ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. This is really neat. Now, we love to learn, so we definitely are going to have fun with this little eraser. Look, JJ, which puzzle do you want to do?
A ladybird.
Okay, well then here, let's do the magnetic pieces. You can use all of those, and they're gonna stick right on here. Nice. Come on, like a little bunny. You wanna try the bunny? Mommy's gonna do the bunny.
I'm gonna do the
I need the
ladybird.
little face. Okay, you do this side, I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do a bunny.
I'm gonna do
And then I'm gonna use the body.
I'm gonna use the body.
I'm not gonna do exactly that one.
I'm gonna do the body.
Go the feet.
I'm gonna do the body with the lady one.
And here go the hands.
Here go
You know what? I can... So far he's enjoying this, so I think this is going to be helpful for
I
him.
need some more.
And it's recommended for 3 years
It black.
and up. The material is wood, cardboard, paper. So yeah, this is really neat.
So cool.
It
What
puts
do
a little
you think,
picture in the
Mommy?
front.
What do you think, Mommy?
JJ peeled that sticker, huh?
What do you think?
Wow, let me look. That's really nice. What did you make?
A ladybird pizza.
Oh God, ladybug pizza. That's new.
We can fly in
It's okay, we'll pick it up.
So we can put it back up.
Yeah, let's put it back up and...
Wait. We gotta do it 5 times.
5 minutes later.
J, Play World.
Mommy, don't do it close because I was making an H.
Show.
Mommy.
JJ's Play World.
I was gonna try a J.
Okay,
H.
erase it. And then you can draw an H. Isn't that neat?
Yep.
Cool. You want blue,
Yep.
green, or red? Let's do blue.
I'm gonna hold it.
How do you do an H?
You do like this and this.
Oh, that's close. We need one more line.
It's like a body.
H. Yay!
But that's not an H.
It is an H.
No, this is an H.
That's a T.
No, that's an H.
What letter is this?
A.
Very good.
A is apple.
A is for apple.
Apple.
Let's do a B.
Dice.
Let me help you do a B. Can I do a B?
Yep.
Oh, I think this one needs a little bit more.
A
Right over the B. Right over the B for mommy.
B? I can write a B. Oh!
Nice. What is that? Can you do a triangle? Almost. How about a circle? Do a circle. What is that? That looks like a square. How about, let's erase it. You like this?
Yep.
Good. I think this is really nice. And if you like to purchase one of these, I will leave a link in the description down below so you guys can get you one for your kiddos.
Now,
I'm all for the educational stuff, so this is perfect for him. Whoa, whatever that is, it's big.
What number is that?
What number is it?
C.
Oh, what letter? Letter. Oh, very good. That looks like us to give me 5, buddy. Yay. How about let's do...
Wait,
That was really good, JJ. Really, really good.
let's do that again.
Let's do it again. That's a T.
What the heck?
Don't say that.
It has black.
Oh.
It was green.
Oh, that's just the top. It's okay. No, we need black.
It is the green.
This is the green. Here. And you can always erase with this too. See? See how you can erase with the back? It's a dry eraser. Very good.
You know how to do that.
What else are we gonna do?
Wait. It's an H.
One more line. Add one more line and it'll be an H. One more line. H. Very good, JJ. Now let's do an O. H. No. That, that doesn't look like an H no more. Can you do a P?
Nope. P is
P for Patricia? That's mommy's name.
P is Patricia. Patricia.
P is for Patricia. 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 P. Patricia. Oh, that's funny. Wow. JJ, I don't think he's ever played with chalk. Oh, I think he has.
H.
One more line and it's H. Very good. Now you can erase it.
Yes! It's an H! Ooh! Yes, baby.
I'll put B. Very good. I'll put it right there. Now let's do D.
D.
Give me the E. The E. F next to the E. Now let's put the H.
What do you do?
H. The H. Very good. Now put the J. Very good. T.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Where's
Okay. So we squeezed all the letters in. Now U. E, W, and Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I want you to get me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I want you to get me.
Now let's do our numbers.
2, 1, 2, 3.
Now let's put 4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Now
8.
9.
Upside down.
And it also comes with an equal sign division sign, minus.
You can also put it in here.
It comes with a plus.
You can also put it right there. Look.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute.
You can also put
Time plus.
Put it.
This is really neat. Okay, let's take them off.
Take it off.
Ready?
9, 5,
Very good.
0, 1, 7,
You're so smart.
2, 4, 8. Thank you, Educator. We love it. This.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing for today. So, again, thank you so much for watching. JJ, can you tell everyone what to do if they like this video?
Yeah, give us a big like, subscribe our channel, hit the bell. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.